We've been worried about you. Where have you been?
I was working on my song, sis. Tomorrow's the last day, and I'm not ready. Please, won't you help me, guys?
You've come to the right place, Mutlu.
You came to the right address. Don't worry about a thing. You first need to find the best words to express yourself for a good song, Mutlu.
Wait, me? But wouldn't it be easier if you wrote it?
No such luck, Mutlu. This is your song, and you need to write the lyrics.
And if we find a good rhythm to these words, you'll then have the perfect song, and the applause will come rolling in.
Words which will express who I am. I mean, cake, playing soccer, and Super Mutlu is my favorite.
Super Mutlu is a good start, I think. Yes, that is the perfect start.
Think about it. A song which explains who you are.
There you go. Your song is really fun and memorable.
It is. I can say that this is one of the best songs that I've heard lately.
Manny, what do you think? How is it?
I love it a lot, Mutlu. It's exactly how a Mutlu song should sound.
I think so too.
Then maybe we should name it the one and only Mutlu song.
Super Mutlu song it is. We should tell my parents right away. I'm starting if we are ready. I am Super Mutlu, the most Super Mutlu, who goes to space sometimes and sometimes eats a cake. Oh, hey, I'm super and I'm happy. I'm the best Super Mutlu. I discovered things a lot. Who's getting older day by day? I'm super and I'm happy. I'm the best Super Mutlu. I'm super and I'm happy. Hey!
This is it, Mutlu. You truly are the real Super Mutlu.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with this brand spanking new song called Super Mutlu Song. Mutlu!
I'm Super Mutlu to you guys. I'm the most Super Mutlu. I'm Super Mutlu to you guys. Hey!
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.